The doctrine of the virgin birth is a central teaching in traditional Christianity that asserts Jesus Christ was conceived by Mary through the power of the Holy Spirit, without a natural human father or sexual intercourse. This means that Mary was a virgin at the time of Jesus' conception and birth. And in Christian theology, affirms Jesus' divine origin. The virgin birth is seen as a confirmation of Jesus' heavenly origin and divine nature, distinguishing him from all other humans. The doctrine is also seen as fulfillment of Old Testament prophecy, such as Isaiah chapter 7, verse 14, which speaks of a virgin bearing a son called Emmanuel, which means God is with us.